All right, so same idea here, except we're going to be writing our answers in slope-intercept form, right? All right, so what is the line that passes through 8, 7 and is parallel to the line that connects these 2 points? So we don't actually have to find the equation of the line that connects those 2 points, but we do need to know the slope. Because whatever the slope is, if our new line is parallel to it, it's going to be the same slope. All right. So we want to find the slope of the line that connects these 2 points so that our new line can be parallel to it. So I'm just going to do that y2 minus y1 business over x2 minus x1. So it's going to be 11 minus 1. That's our y values. I'm just subtracting those. And then it'll be 9 minus 4, subtracting the x values in the same order there. Get you a 10 up top, a 5 on the bottom, and divide these out. 10 divided by 5, that's 2. All right, so that's our slope. And since our new line is going to be parallel to that, it's going to be the same slope. M is going to equal 2. All right, so I've got my point, got my slope. I can write my answer in point slope form. I'll go ahead and do that first. So it's going to be y minus 7 is equal to m, which is a 2, and then x minus 8. So it's my slope, and that represents my point there. Now, to make it in slope-intercept form, you just got to go through the extra step of distributing the 2. You got to solve for y. That's what you got to do to get it in slope-intercept form. So I'll distribute my 2. Y minus 7 is equal to 2x, and then 2 times 8 will be a negative 16. And you got to add the 7. You got to move that over as well. Okay. Cancels. You're going to get y equals 2x, and then negative 16 plus 7, that is negative 9. That's it. Bam. So this one, it passes through this point, and it is going to be parallel to whatever line actually connects these two. Parallel just means it's going to have the same slope. All right, we'll do one last example. And it's a weird one. All right, it sounds weird. All right, so this right here, this means the line AB, whatever line it is, they don't give us the equation, but they do tell us the x and the y-intercept. They say the x-intercept's 3, the y-intercept's 6. The question is, what is the line that is perpendicular? That's what that symbol is. What line is perpendicular to AB, but also passes through negative 4, 7? All right, so the first thing I want to do is I want to figure out the slope of the line AB. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to plot these x and y intercepts. X-intercept is 3, they said, and the y-intercept is 6. So that's about that high, something like that. Now, just from these two, we can figure out what the slope is. The slope is how much it goes up and down between the points and how much it goes left and right between. So the up and down is 6, and the left and right is 3. So rise 6, run 3. Oh, and it's negative. It's a negative slope. Yeah, don't forget that. This is going kind of angled downhill. So the slope is negative. This is going to be negative 2 if you go ahead and simplify it down. Nice. All right, that's the slope of the original line, but we're wanting one that's going to be perpendicular to that. So I got to do the negative reciprocal thing where I flip it and change the sign. So my new official slope, the one that I actually am interested in, is going to be positive 1/2. All right, there's my slope. There's my point that it has to pass through, and it's going to be just like the others where we plug it into that point slope form. So we're going to say y minus 7 is equal to m, which is 1/2. And then it's x minus, it's going to be x plus 4 this time, I guess, because we changed the signs, you know. And then I got to convert it to slope-intercept form. All right, distribute our 1/2. This will be 1/2 times x, 1/2 x. And then we're going to do 1/2 times 4, which is going to be positive 2. And then we got to move that 7 over. Plus 7, plus 7. And we get y equals 1/2 x plus 9. And that would be it. All right, so this line here, it's going to be, if I graphed it, it's going to be perpendicular to this one. So instead of going down 2 and over 1, it's going to be going up 1 and over 2. And it also is going to pass through this -4, 7. All righty.